In this video, I'll show you how to make your captions look aesthetic using CapCut. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Start a new project, select the video that you want to edit, go ahead and click add. Once you have your video ready, go ahead and add your captions like you would normally. I'm going to click on auto captions and then generate. As you can see, these captions, they look okay, but they look a bit bulky and they can be way more pretty and aesthetic. So what we're going to do is click on the captions, then we're going to click on edit captions, and we're going to split the text so we have about 3 words per line. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Then you can go ahead and add your favorite font and your favorite colors so your captions look a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and edit my font, then change my style. CapCut also has some free effects that you can use to make your captions look better, but you can go ahead and make them your own. If you want to go one step further, what you can do is click on animations, then you're going to step on captions, and you can see a lot of different animations that you can use for them. And as you can see, my captions look a lot better. They're not so bulky and they're easier to read. Hope that helps.